Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys some of the steps so that you can make an effective revision timetable for GCSEs or for A levels after Easter holidays and to get more productive and more motivated. So first of all, I want you guys to decide either you are going to use Google Doc, color paper or a chart paper to make your effective timetable. Okay, and after those, when you have decided already, and then you need to follow these steps. So step number 1 is figure out how much time you have to revise. Step number 2 is prioritize your subjects in topics, and step number 3 is take a break into the subjects and into your topics. Okay, hopefully you have prioritized everything. Okay, and after you have answered those questions in a paper, then you need to make this type of timetable. Okay, either you can make this type of timetable or you can make a timetable look like this. It depends on you which timetable you want to make. Okay, so this is just a sample of my timetable which I am following. Okay, so this is really effective timetable for me, and you can see 3 differences in there. Okay, which I will be going to show you. So number 1 is I haven't wrote the timings on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday because I know myself that I want to follow the same timing as I'm following on Monday. Okay, and then second is the homework I have wrote at the end of my timetable, just because I want myself to first of all prepare for the all subjects and to do the homework, so that it will be really going to help me, and it's helped me. And then third thing is Saturday and on Sunday I'm doing the same subjects and doing at the same timing. Okay, so that after half of the day I can spend with my family and I can do revision if I want to do for other subjects or if I want to do the homework. Okay, so this is what my timetable looks like. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video and found this useful for you. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.